margarita.
Margarita.
Or can you hold that one up, Duncan?
Margarita.
Turn that one around. Let's have a look at that one.
Turn it around.
Okay, so that stone baked pepperoni or this pepperoni. Point to the pizza you would buy at those. So more people are saying they buy the stone bake. I wonder why that is. So you like the look of the box? It looks appealing, yeah? That's got a photo on showing what it's going to look like when it's cooked as well, doesn't it? Makes it look like, I can imagine eating that.
It's so classy and fragile.
So if you like the nice thick dough, like from Domino's, you might want to roll it out a bit fatter.
Yeah, pizza with his miserable face.